Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to zoom out in Photoshop. So I'm provide 4 different way and I'm provide shortcut key. So let's get start. So in the first way, as you can see, showing it to zoom percent 95.8%. So just select or double press your mouse right button or double press to select and zoom out to 70%, okay, or 150% or 30%. okay, just enter the number and press on enter button. Now it's zoom in and zoom out. And the second way, find your zoom icon. So this is my zoom option. Just select and you just drag your mouse right, left to right, then you zoom in, or just follow this position, drag right to left, okay, or up to down, zoom out, or down to up, zoom in. I'm select this position to zoom in, okay, and zoom out. So this is a second way. And the third way, go to view option. As you can see, showing it to zoom in to control and double time press plus option to zoom in, and zoom out to control plus or minus, okay, press on control button from my keyboard and plus option to zoom in, or control plus minus button to zoom out, okay. And this is a last method and very unique method. Just tap on control alt and space button, press on at the same time, and just up and down your mouse. So that's how you can easily zoom in and zoom out on your Photoshop.